What is going on, guys? Thank you guys for watching. In this video, we're going to go over a few things that you guys have saw the title, of course, but some things that are really going to matter tomorrow and in the next coming week. So with that being said, let's go ahead and go over a few things. So the first thing I really wanted to go on ahead and go over with is I'm just going to pull this over as a completely new tab here, is the coronavirus is still going on. Of course, this is the health, WHO holds trials of this drug that Trump was taking over safety fears. So is it working? Nobody really knows. Anti-material drugs of COVID-19 observed from the front line. COVID-19, how scared should we be? Again, our market is actually rising. So today's SPY hit 300. I actually said last week that it would. So here you can see we're actually back under it here after hours. But I said we would break 300. We actually ended up hitting 302, just above 302 technically. And then now we have pulled back dramatically. So now, when it comes down to the plays that I have played based off of this, right now I'm in two trades. Roku, which is, you can see exactly where I entered here at this line. I am up. I bought puts on this, basically meaning that I am betting that it's going down. And T over here for AT&T, I bought this in my long-term account. I can still kind of show you, I believe, where I bought it at. I didn't buy it in this account. I bought it in my long-term account. But while that's loading, going over more of this, you guys know there is no vaccine. The biggest thing is, normally vaccines take over a year to create. So these things aren't things that just happen overnight, and that's what people are kind of forgetting. So here, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys where I entered on T. And this is using my exact strategy and everything, guys. So you guys see I bought it $29.80 is where I marked it. That's the exact spot. Right now, we're up in the 30s, almost 31. We did get above 31 today. But again, those are just two plays that work with my strategy. So it doesn't matter really what's going on here, what's going on in all the other news as well. That's going to happen either way. I truly do believe that. Now, when it comes down to this over here, things that, I kind of want you guys to look for this week. And why do I say that? Well, these are actually some big things. If you guys don't know investing.com, you guys can find all these. I'm also going to link them in the description. But lockdown beige book arrives. Of course, assessment on the economy basically at 2 p.m. tomorrow. That is one of the big things that is going to happen. 18 o'clock General Mountain Standard Time. I don't even know. It's GMT. I know it's not Eastern Standard Time. API, basically interest rates and stuff like that. Oil prices here. The wave of reopening optimism. Well, today, WTI getting closer to $35 a barrel, so that is a lot compared to what we were just a couple weeks ago, guys. I was filling my truck up for like $1.20 something when I was driving down to Florida. So big difference now. We're in the $1.80s. Probably going to be $2 here before too long. I'm not going to lie to you guys. So you guys can see all of this, the decline and everything. So here's the big thing that I am looking for here tomorrow and for the rest of the week. Will housing resilience show in earnings? So basically, new housing, is it being sold still? We went over the delinquency of mortgages already and what's going on and how it's already getting really high. If you guys want to, you guys can go check that video. I believe it was just my last video. But that is something to definitely be looking out for, guys, when it comes down to this. Economics were predicting a drop of more than 20% in sales of new homes in April, but they posted a small gain. So basically everybody is betting against it, is what it's seeming like. Doesn't mean that that's going to happen. Tomorrow night, those earnings will come out on TOL, kind of give you a little bit luxury, home builder, Toll Brothers. So those are all things that I will be looking for tomorrow. I hope this helps some of you guys out. And remember, guys, some of these big things that are going on in the market, guys, you have to remember, because they can shift your trade. If you're day trading or swing trading or anything like that, they can shift your trade. So always be on top of that, guys. Thank you guys all for watching. If you want to, please give me a thumbs up. That really helps my channel and all this. So I will see you guys all in the next video.